I'm going to show you exactly how to insert a GIF into PowerPoint. Open your presentation and click the slide you want it on. In the thumbnail list on the left, select the slide so it fills the main editing area. Now go up to the Insert tab on the ribbon and click it. That changes the ribbon and you're looking for pictures on the left. Click Pictures, then choose this device. If you're on a Mac, the same command is called Picture from File. The File dialog opens over your slide. Browse to the folder where your GIF is saved. I'm using countdowntimer.gif from the desktop. If you don't see the file, open the file type drop-down at the bottom right and switch it to Graphics Interchange format. That filters the list to GIFs only, which saves you from scrolling through every image you own. Click your GIF once, then click the Insert button. The dialog closes and PowerPoint puts the image on the slide. It usually drops in at its original size, so it may be huge and it will look frozen. That's expected. A GIF cannot play in the editing view. That's the part where you'll think you got it wrong. Now resize and place it. Grab one of the four corner handles, not the side handles, because the side handles stretch it and ruin the proportions. I'm going to make this smaller and drag it to the right of the text. Watch for the red alignment guides that appear as it lines up with the heading. I'll keep it around an inch high so it reads as an accent, not a background. To move it, click inside the image and drag. While you're resizing from a corner, hold Control on Windows or Command on a Mac to keep the center point fixed. Let's check it's really animated. Press Shift F5 to run the slideshow from the current slide. The slide opens full screen and the GIF moves. Press Escape to come back. Now go to the View tab and click Normal. Watch the GIF go still again. That does not mean the insert failed, so don't delete it and start over. It only animates in slideshow or reading view. If you want a GIF from the web, go back to Insert, click Pictures, and choose Online Pictures or Stock Images. Search for a term, select a result, and click Insert. It lands the same way, and you can resize and move it with the same handles. And if the position is a pixel or two off, keep the GIF selected and use the arrow keys on your keyboard to nudge it. That's much easier than dragging repeatedly. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful because comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.